Welcome back. This means that we know what we're talking about.
Does this mean we look intelligent for a change?
What do you mean for a change? Speak for yourself. National Science Week begins today, and how fab it is from now until August the 20th. The country's leading scientists will bring the craft of experiments and inquisitive thinking to the forefront.
It's all in a bid to encourage the next generation to take up a job in a STEM field. And here in Sydney, around 20,000 science lovers are expected to attend two of the biggest events for the Festival of Science. And joining us now is science communicator Jenny Lynch. Jenny, morning to you.
Good morning.
This is fantastic. We've transformed Brekkie Central into a science hub. Tell us about why National Science Week has become so popular, I guess.
Oh, it's because we have all these amazing events like Science in the Scrub that's happening in Western Sydney Parklands tomorrow from 11 till 3 p.m. And next Sunday we've got another event which is at Centennial Park that's called Science in the Swamp. And these events have science shows like I'll be doing tomorrow at 12 o'clock, and there's lots of hands-on activities for families to do. And they also get a chance to talk with real scientists as well.
It is so brilliant, isn't it, when we need people to be going into the STEM field to show them how exciting it can be. Cue demo.
Okay, well, I've got a couple of
us?
demonstrations for you today. The first one uses liquid nitrogen. Have you seen liquid nitrogen before?
Yeah, I love liquid
Here we go.
nitrogen.
Let's have a look. It's a clear liquid, so it looks like water, but you might notice it's bubbling. And it's bubbling because it's boiling. This is extremely cold liquid nitrogen. It's minus 196 degrees Celsius.
So if something is really cold, it bubbles the same as if it's really hot?
Well, different things have different boiling points.
Right.
So this has a boiling point of minus 196 degrees. So as soon as I pour it out of that canister, it starts boiling.
Same temperature as Mon's heart.
Well, what I'm going to do is see what happens if we
Okay.
mix this really cold liquid with some water, some boiling hot water, which you probably know the temperature of boiling water is 100 degrees Celsius.
I
So
knew
let's
that.
pour the
Right
liquid
across it.
nitrogen into this bucket down here.
Oh, yes, please, let's.
And I'm going to add a little bit more. Lots of liquid nitrogen in the bucket. So that's minus 196 degrees Celsius. I have boiling hot water in here at 100 degrees
If
Celsius.
you were to touch that,
This,
yeah.
you'd freeze your hand. That's why I'm wearing
You should-
gloves
you
and
should
why
do
we're
that.
wearing
Instant
safety
frozen
goggles.
hand.
That's right.
Okay.
But I'll just get you to stand back a bit.
yeah.
Because
You're all right
we're
there,
going to have a
actually. You're
countdown
fine
from
there.
3 and then I'm going to pour boiling water into the liquid nitrogen. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
3, 2, 1. And that's our fog explosion. So the boiling water made the liquid nitrogen boil really quickly.
Oh my gosh.
And we've got a cloud of water vapour.
Jenny,
is so
as we
cool.
often are, if we're
Let's
having
put
a
it up
bad
here.
show, if we just did that, that would reset and viewers would forgive us for everything, wouldn't they?
Could we just do that to forget the last thing that we've said?
Yeah, like if you've just had a shocker, you just do a fog cloud explosion.
And explode.
That's amazing.
I love that. So at the festival, what else are you going to
You'll
be
see
doing?
liquid nitrogen. We're also doing demonstrations about climate change and about artificial intelligence.
So a way to get through to people to explain.
To show the amazing things you can do with science. So it's just so much fun to play around with and try and work out how the world works. You know, seeing the world through the eyes of a scientist, I guess.
Jenny, one of the things that Mon and I have always lusted after, something we've always wanted to do, is create elephant toothpaste.
We talk about it all the
We
time.
talk about, like,
You
she
do?
just will
Yeah.
not shut up about it.
The top of our wish list is to create elephant toothpaste, and we can't believe
You've got
today
a
is
helper,
the day.
your
Let's do
daughter
it.
Matilda.
I
Where is
do.
she?
Matilda's going
Hey,
to come and
Matilda.
help us.
Hey, Tilly, come and show us how to do this.
Matilda's going to help. So over here we have some hydrogen peroxide in a container.
Okay.
And Matilda's going to add some dishwashing liquid. There you go, Matilda.
Can we stand back
Let's
from
just
here, Matilda?
open that up and tip that in. Get in a few drops of dishwashing liquid and some green food colouring just to add a bit of colour.
So just a few drops of the
Yep,
detergent?
just a few drops.
Make a note of that, Mon.
Right.
We're
Okay.
going to make some foam. We're going to make a foamy
So we
chemical
all
reaction.
know what normal toothpaste looks like.
But this is elephant's toothpaste. It's going to be a bit bigger and a bit more explosive.
Is this
So
something that we should stand back
I
from?
need
Although
everyone to
it's-
stand back,
at least it's
yes.
the
Are we
Matilda's
safe
over
here,
here.
Matilda? Are we
It's the
okay?
Matilda
Should we stand back?
Mac. Stand back, Monique. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Get out.
Oh!
So what we've done is we've
Look at
turned the
that.
hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas.
Matilda,
amazing.
that was excellent helping.
on,
That is
Matilda.
How
amazing.
very, very cool that is.
That is incredible.
Matilda, does your mum do science experiments at home?
How cool's Mum? She's just amazing.
You're lucky. Ah, fantastic.
Can you do
Love
that? You should be able to. Can you learn that for your kids? That'd make you a cooler mum.
Thank you.
Did we need these glasses or did we just wear them for decoration?
I believe that we did that to add gravitas.
Did we end up with gravitas?
Probably not.
No.
Thank you both so much.
Thank you so
Love it. What a
Matilda,
fantastic
Jenny,
week.
you're amazing. Thank you.
We're going to put all the details on our website. Stay with us.